Study on correlation of types of diabetic retinopathy and its psychosocial impact. Diabetic retinopathy (DR) affects the majority 70% to 90% of diabetic patients, causes visual impairment. Diabetes and vision loss can profoundly affect a patient's life. In addition, it can cause a substantial psychosocial impact. Unfortunately, there is still a considerable void in identifying, awareness and managing psychosocial distress in DR patients. Our objective was to identify various psychosocial symptoms and evaluate the extent of psychosocial impairment in patients with different DR types. A pretested questionnaire was used to collect data from diabetic patients at the Retina Clinic of C.H. Nagri Eye Hospital in Ahmedabad. It comprised ocular history, diabetes history, ocular examination data, and retinopathy type if present. In addition, the patients were requested to complete the General Health Questionnaire 28 GHQ28 for psychosocial assessment in Gujarati. The self-scoring ranged from 0, 1, 2, 3. Lower to higher disability, respectively. The Mann-Whitney test was used to determine significance using statistical software. The researchers looked at 308 cases in all. The participants were separated: A. Diabetes mellitus type 2 DM to patients without retinopathy. B. DM to patients having non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy. C. DM to patients having proliferative diabetic retinopathy. 80.26% of patients with non-proliferative retinopathy and 93.75% of patients with proliferative retinopathy in both eyes were psychosocially affected, according to the GHQ28 score cutoff of 0.25. In patients with proliferative retinopathy, the impairment was shown to be more severe than in those with non-proliferative retinopathy. P-value less than 0.005 mean GHQ score in PDR is equal to 41.88 greater than NPDR is equal to 35.74. In DM to patients without retinopathy, the average mean score was 22, which showed less impairment, p-value less than 0.005. Detailed analysis showed that there was more impairment in the field of social dysfunction. Diabetic retinopathy patients had a higher level of psychosocial impairment, indicating that it has a substantial influence on quality of life and overall health. As a result, affected individuals must receive psychiatric counseling in order to reduce the disease's influence on the psychosocial side of their health. Along with disease control, it is vital to reduce psychosocial suffering. Introduction. Diabetic retinopathy (DR) is an eye complication caused by diabetes that can lead to gradual and permanent vision loss. It affects nearly all long-term type 1 diabetic patients and many with type 2 diabetes. Vision problems caused by DR, such as blurred vision and difficulty seeing at night, can deeply affect a person's daily life and mental health. People with DR often face depression, anxiety, and social isolation due to their declining vision. In India, about 18% of people with diabetes are affected by DR. While there are treatments, like laser therapy and eye injections, these can be stressful, costly, and emotionally challenging. Despite its impact, the emotional and mental health aspects of DR are often overlooked. This study uses a mental health questionnaire GHQ28 to assess how DR affects patients' psychological well-being, aiming to highlight the importance of addressing both the physical and emotional needs of those living with this condition. Conclusion. Psychosocial impairment was found to be significantly higher in DR patients. It causes a significant impact on the quality of life and general health status of patients. Therefore, psychosocial screening is necessary during earlier visits. Psychiatric counseling must be given to the affected patients. It is necessary to prevent and control psychosocial suffering along with the control of the disease. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.